Good morning, students. How are you all? In the last session, we have completed the suitable nouns for the underlined words. In page number 28 and 29, we have the remaining exercises that are given in your textbook. It says, read the following sentence and notice the underlined part. There's a sentence here given. Raman stayed in the country to do MA course. The underlined letter in capitals denote an abbreviation. The full form of this abbreviation is MA means Master of Arts. Here is a list of some common abbreviations right there, full forms, right? See. BA. BA means Bachelor of Arts. Next, AD. Anno Domini. Anno Domini. Next, BC. Before Christ. BC means before Christ. CM. You know, who is the CM of Andhra Pradesh? Jagan Mohan Reddy, right? CM means Chief Minister. Next, CD. CD means compact disc. Next, DVD. Digital video disc. Next, AM. If it is in the morning, right? We say AM, right? Before it is before 12 in the afternoon, we say it as AM, right? AM means ante-meridian, and after 12 we say it is PM, right? PM means post-meridian. PM means Bachelor of Arts, and AD means Anno Domini, BC means before Christ, CM means Chief Minister, CD means compact disc, DVD means digital video disc, AM means ante-meridian, PM means post-meridian, right? Now, there's another exercise in your textbook. It says here, read the following sentence and notice the underlined word. See, he used to spend his hours after office in the lab. The underlined word lab is a short form of laboratory. Look at the following list of short forms right there, full forms. The first one is done for you. The first one is done for us, right? What is the first one? Plane. What is the full form of plane? Aeroplane, right? Full form of plane is aeroplane. And next is kilo. What is the full form of kilo? Kilogram. Kilogram is the full form of kilo. Next is para. In shortcut we say para. In full form it is paragraph, right? And in shortcut we say specs. And in full form it is spectacles, right? In shortcut, for the photograph we say photo, and its full form is photograph. And for bike, for motorbike or bicycle we say shortcut as bike. The full form is bicycle or motorbike. Next is mic. This is a mic, right? In shortcut, but its full form is microphone. In shortcut it is mic, but in full form it is microphone, right? Is that clear, every one of you? Aeroplane, kilogram, paragraph, spectacles, photograph, bicycle or motorbike, microphone, right? Next. In the paragraph 4, you have learned that optics is the study of light. In the lesson we have seen that Raman studied about optics, the study of light or science of light. Do you know the word for study of living beings? It is biology. Means bios means life, logos means study. So suffix logi adds meaning to the study of Guess the meanings of the words under column A and match them with the phrases under column B. Right? Here are some matching. We need to match this with the correct meaning of that word. First one, archaeology. Archaeology means D. Study of cultures of the past. Archaeology means study of cultures of the past. Next, physiology. Physiology means the study of the bodies in living things. Study of bodies of living things. Second one is E. Third one, psychology. Psychology means study of the mind. A. Study of the mind. The answer is A. Next is geology. In the name itself, geo means study of earth, right? 4. The study of earth, that is C. The answer is C. And the remaining is zoology. Zoo means animals, zoology means study of animals. The answer is B. Study of animals. D-E-A-C-B. D-E-A-C-B. Next we are going to see the grammar part, that is prepositions of time and place. Prepositions of time and place. Preposition. What is preposition actually? Preposition is a word that shows relation between a noun and a pronoun, or some other words or element in the rest of the sentence. I'll write here. See, it is a word, preposition is a word that shows relation between a noun and a pronoun or any other words or elements in the rest of the sentence, right? Here it says, read the following sentence from your lesson and observe how underlined words are used before dates, years and names of places, right? Raman was born on November 7th, 1888. Second, Raman passed away in 1970 on November 21. Third, Raman did his MA course at Presidential College in Madras. Fourth, in December on a fine evening in 1927 there was much excitement. Here it said, on, in and yet are prepositions. These are on, in and yet are preposition of time and place. In sentence 1 and 2, on is used before the date. In sentence 2, 3 and 4 is used before year. Before the name of a big city and before the name of month. In sentence 3, at is used before the name of a small place, area. Right? Preposition. They are used to, or these are the words which show relation between a noun and a pronoun. And here, from your lesson, it has given that on, in, and yet are used before the day, time and place, and yet are used. And now, here is an exercise from your lesson. Fill in the blanks with in, on, and yet. Right? Sarat Chandra and Kirtana are brother and sister. Sarat Chandra was born dash 25th April. On 25th April. On 25th April. The answer is on. April dash in 2000. First one is on. Second one is in 2000. Keetana was born on December 2001. They are with their parents. They live dash Kondamudusupalam. They live at Kondamudusupalam, a small village. At, the answer is at Prakasham district. They play games dash at school. The answer is at. Now fill in the blanks with in, on, and yet. Sarat Chandra and Keetana, brother and sister. Sarat Chandra was born dash. What comes here? In, on, or yet? Born on. First one is on. Right? First one is on 25th April dash 2000. In 2000. In 2000. Keetana was born dash December 2nd, 2001. Keetana was born on. Keetana was born on December 2nd, 2001. They are with their parents. They live dash Kondamudusupalam. They live in, on, or yet. They live at. They live at Kondamudusupalam, a small village dash Prakasham district. In a small village in Prakasham district. In. They play games dash school. They play games where? They play games at school. At school, it is usually very hot dash. Very hot dash. In hot in May dash their Srisailam dash their village. Sorry, dash their village. What is the eighth one? At their village. At their village. So they spend their summer dash Hyderabad. In Hyderabad. In Hyderabad. Dash their uncle's house. At their uncle's house. At their uncle's house. Mr. Srisailam is their uncle. He resides dash High Court Colony. At High Court Colony. He resides at High Court Colony. Hyderabad, High Court Colony, dash Hyderabad. He resides at High Court Colony, dash Hyderabad. What is the answer? In Hyderabad with his wife Jagdishwari and his daughter Vishnu Priya. Understood how to use in, on, and yet? We'll see the remaining in the next section.